Well, we are continuing our coverage of the trial for the Starts Right Here shooting. Preston Walls is charged with first-degree murder. Local 5's Dana Searles has been following the case and tells us more about what happened at the courthouse today.
All of day 6 of the trial was spent with the lead detective on the stand being cross-examined, speaking on how criminal streaking activity is suspected to be involved. Detective George spending the entire day on the stand. The morning was spent with the detective speaking on the kinds of guns the victims would carry, also speaking about rivalries and the meaning behind what could be seen as a threat between the two gangs. The defense questioned him on his investigations into criminal street gangs and how he believes they played a role in the Starts Right Here shooting.
All the trash talking over Trey being killed right around Christmas, right?
Yes, sir. So that's when the conspiracy kind of began.
So that's what you think. Conspiracy began there.
Yes, sir. The messages continue on, and there's more of a plan. They talk about shooting Will Keeps on January 4th as well.
The defense brought up one instance on January 6th when OMB gang members were allegedly waiting outside of Starts Right Here for Preston Walls. There were messages amongst the Strap gang, who according to the detective is rivals with the OMB gang, about how they needed to show up to the school to back up Walls. But later in the afternoon, the detective spoke on Walls' character when he found him and arrested him after the shooting.
Which is the mental state that you believe he was in at that time was distraught? Something along those lines?
A major event had happened between Mr. Walls, Mr. Carr, and Mr. Dameron, and this was within 22 minutes after that had happened. So, yes, he was, I would say, amped up at that time.
Now, as the court adjourned, the lead detective was still on the stand, and the defense could continue their cross-examination when the court reconvenes on Monday morning at 9 a.m. However, the prosecution could begin their redirect on their witness. But when the defense presents their witness list, there is a chance we could see Preston Walls on the stand. But for now, at the Polk County Courthouse, Dana Searles, Local 5 News.
Brayvon Tukes, the other suspect in the case, is set to go on trial next month. A judge agreed to separate the trial so Walls can testify in Tukes' defense. Walls reportedly told police Tukes wasn't involved in the shooting itself.